Alright, so for this tutorial we're going to be tracing the Tsukuba racetrack that's in Japan. You're going to be needing 3 programs. Well, 2. First is Racetracks. That will let you take screenshots of your screen automatically with just a one key press. And the second one is to align the images, the screenshots you're going to be taking of Google Maps. So first head over to maps.google.com on your browser and search for Tsukuba circuit. And once you're there, switch to satellite, zoom in, like so. And on the option where it says more, just unselect labels. That will clean out the interface, so we don't have to deal with a lot with more information that we need to. So the reason you do that is we want to compile a panorama of the circuit, so we have a high definition of the every single detail that's visible from above. So that's pretty much the only reason we do this. Because if we can just use this, it will not be enough detail in what we're looking at to, for example, create the curves, right? And we have to stitch a series of images, put them together, and create a high definition image from. If you do not have Photoshop, don't worry about it. I'm going to be uploading this picture right here. This is the high definition. This is the final result. It's pretty much what we're going to be accomplishing shortly. I'm going to be leaving this file in the comments to my Google Drive, so you can download it if you want to follow along without having Photoshop. So let's do this, right? First, on the Racetracks, you have to set it up. By default, it's not done that way. You have to put a little bit of time into setting it up. And the way I did it, when I middle click the icon in the tray, it will automatically save a file on my desktop. And well, the best way to do that is just show you how it's actually done. So position Google Maps in a way that makes sense to you. I mean, if you zoom any, I don't think you will get any more details. So I think this is a good area to start with. So try to make a full screen if you can, and to cover as much as possible, because if you do not, you'll have to take more pictures. And middle click the Racetracks if you set it up the same way I did, and then we'll Racetracks will ask for what area to capture. Come on, buddy. About there. And the moment I did that, it created the new folder and saved the picture. So we're going to continue doing that. We're going to go around the track like this. Do not go, don't use a whole lot of, just like, so the previous picture has to be at least 1/3 of the new that you have. So Photoshop knows exactly what follows after that. So keep on doing that. I saved the new picture, middle click, save the new picture, middle click, save the new picture. I'm going to be doing that with so I can cover the whole area in here, like so. the more pictures you have, the higher the rate of success you're gonna have with stitching all the pictures and making it look decent. All right, I think we're good. We got 25 pictures. And now let's group this by let's make it 12 pictures per folder. Create a new folder. 1, Control V, Control X, new folder. 2, Control V. Then on Photoshop, File, Automate, Photo Merge. Then select Auto, and also check the option where it says Geometric Distortion Correction, and browse. Go to where you save your pictures from ShareX. OK, and OK. Just give it 2 minutes, or however long is it going to take, depend on your how performant your computer is. Photoshop should start aligning the pictures according to various parameters into the image, like edges, colors, and all that stuff. Let it do its magic. I think it's better that I pause the video so you don't have to watch the a progress bar in here, and see in a few seconds. Actually, let's. It looks like it's going quite fast. All right, you almost compiled the whole panorama with just 11 pictures, but we're missing the top part. So we're gonna be doing on this. Press Control Shift S, save as, panorama PNG. I'm just gonna name it 1, so we know it's the first one. As PNG, do not compress. OK, and then close. And we're gonna be process folder number 2. Automate, Photo Merge, browse, folder number 2, Control A to select all files. OK. Select Geometric Distortion Correction and click OK. Okay, we have at least the top part, so let's crop the bottom part, which I already have on a different image. Hopefully it's good enough. And OK, and press Control Shift A, Control Shift S, not A, and save it as number 2. To PNG, .png, not So we now have two slices, and Photoshop is going to be looking for this area in here and stitch the top of the track to the other one. So let's merge those two now. Automate, photo merge, browse, select the two panoramas that we combined already, and OK. All right, so we got lucky. This is perfect. So Control Shift S, full panorama, and I'm gonna do PNG, gonna go PNG full. Okay. So this is an 80 megabyte image. We may have a little bit of a problem here, but it's not bad. So this image is 5000 by 4200. It's an 80 megabyte, 85 megabyte file. This is not bad. This, I think that this is the only mistake in here, but we can make up for it. There's no issues on that. Everything else looks clean. Oops, I'm gonna remove those because I keep on scrolling on the other image. But yeah, this is perfect. Next, let's create a plane. We're done with Photoshop, we're done with Racetracks, and we're done with Google Maps. Let me quit those. Next, we're going to be creating a plane in Blender, and we'll be adding the image into Blender. So from Edit, Preferences, we're going to be checking. Make sure you have this one enabled. Import images as planes. Make sure you have that on. If you do not, just enable it. Then go to Object. No, Add. God damn it. Add. Image as plane. Then go to where you save the panorama, the high definition one, this one, and rotate it on the x-axis. Press R, X, and minus 90 degrees. Minus. Actually, do we have to? I don't have to do that. We don't have to do that because we're just gonna be looking from above to on the image. So hold Alt, and with the mouse, middle mouse, move down. So right here it says top orthographic 180. If you do not see that, just go to text info and statistics, and it should tell you exactly what kind of view you have over the area. So this is not a good look because this is supposed to be the top of the track. So with Alt and middle click, just change position of the plane. But again, if you have to look at from the top, otherwise it's going to be very hard for you to hand trace everything. Let me create a new video and see you on the next one. We're going to be hand tracing the track. See you shortly.